Welcome back YouTube, BST here at NSP Tech. I created my own pendulum, whatever, right? To just test the shutter speed of my Z Flip 4, of my S22 Ultra, and of course also of the iPhone 12. So, yep, it's something that I built custom. Oh my god. Alright, let me try another time. Guys, I think I stabilized the whole system, so nothing fancy here. I just have a lamp from IKEA, the Ace 5 charger box, and yep, I have here a small lamp, of course, working, connected to the bigger lamp. And guys, the whole idea is, so again, one more time, I have here a lamp connected to a bigger lamp hanging with a wire, and the whole idea, like I said in my intro, is this to serve as a pendulum. And while this thing dances on the wire, I'm gonna be testing the shutter speed. I know shutter luck is a whole other different thing, it's also very important, but guys, the whole idea is, can the S22 Ultra produce a nice picture with moving kids, moving cats, moving dogs, moving aliens, in this case, these moving labs? Can the Z Flip 4 hold up to the S22 Ultra? And of course, can those both Samsung phones do something against the iPhone 12, which is, yeah, it's an iPhone 12. So, let's find out. Alright guys, let's start with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. That's the first phone that is gonna be submitted to do this shutter speed tester, guys. I'm inside the camera settings, and as you can see, the scene optimizer is on, as well as the autofocus tracking, guys. So I'm just gonna do some tests with both on, then gonna turn them off and redo the test. Now, tracking is on, so I'm just going to highlight that item, guys, and just see if it works. It works. And then, guys, I'm just gonna do some photos, so stay tuned and let's see how they're gonna end up, okay? Probably that one more time, okay? So, first photo, guys, how does it come out? Yeah. Alright, for some reason, guys, the S22 Ultra is just focusing on the background on this one. This one probably a bit better, but as you can see, the background is pretty much on focus, guys. This one is not so bad. This one is not so bad, probably the best out of those three, but let me just now try to do some more tests. So I'm going to repeat the test. Alright, it's again selected to be focusedly tracked. Okay, and now, alright. One more time, guys. Okay, let's just do it like now. Nah, it's just tracking the head. Okay, I just want this to be the tracked item. Okay, so how hard can this be, guys? Alright, it's now tracked. Okay. Alright, two more photos with the S22 Ultra. And the pictures are not so sharp. Okay, here definitely, guys, focus is not on the background, and sadly this also is a bit out of focus. So let me just try to redo this test, but with just removing the scene optimizer. Okay, the autofocus tracking is still gonna be in place, but no scene optimizer, guys. So let me just try to select again the lamp setup here. All right, it's there. So let me now start. Okay, one more time. Let me just do this from there. Okay, my pendulum. All right, does it work? Okay. Okay, let me just see what has happened now with the scene optimizer off. Blurred picture here. Absolutely not usable, by the way. Again, the focus really is more on the background. Okay, enough with the Ultra, guys. Now let me just take my other weapon of choice. Alright, guys, I have now the Z Flip 4 in my hand. So contrary to the S22 Ultra, the sensor that we have here is only 12 megapixel and not like in the S22 Ultra 108 megapixel. Scene optimizer is on and the tracking autofocus is also on. So let me just try to do the first test with the Z Flip 4 and just see how this will behave. Okay, just hope my setup would not fall apart. Alright, okay, yeah, alright, wow. I think tracking here seems to be a bit better from what I see in the viewfinder. I'm not so sure though. So okay, guys, now let's just try to see the pictures. So Z Flip 4 first picture. Okay, yeah, we can see that the background is blurred and somehow the focus is on the foreground. Oh, okay, this one looks alright, although not 100% sharp, but a bit better. Okay, this one, I think I was holding this still in my hand, so that doesn't really count. This one is not so bad at all. And this one is, yeah, it's not so good. So you know what, guys, let me just go back, and this time I'm going to remove the scene optimizer, and I'm also going to remove the tracking of the autofocus. I'm not sure if this is going to have any effect, but this is why we're here to test that one. So let me just do it like this. Yeah, probably it will not go good. this doesn't really work well, I just think so. Some more tests with this, and okay, yeah, not the great, not so bad, I would say. Yeah, but still somehow, guys, the background really isn't focused and the foreground is not so focused. This one is not so bad. This one is not so bad. And now enough with the flip, guys. Now let me just take the iPhone 12 and see how the iPhone 12 would deal with this. And now, guys, I have the iPhone 12, so enough with the flip and the Samsung. Let's just see how the iPhone 12 will deal with this. Alright, so I'll not change anything here, just stock settings. Okay, so let me just try to do this. Oops. Okay, maybe also from here, I'll just try to focus first on this. Okay, oh, this was extreme. This was extreme. Let's see the first photo. Whoa, okay. Sharp, I think. Some of the details already there. Okay, here you see, doesn't count. I hold this in my hand, so it's not 100%, but this one here was still flying, and it doesn't look so bad. Oh, if this is in the air, then this is probably as sharp as we're gonna get. And of course I have here this helping light. Yep, definitely hanging like this is good. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's try to do some more tests. So first is to calibrate. Okay, I think my setup is just gonna fall apart, so I'm not gonna do so much more, but probably just a bit more. Okay, like this. And now let's see the result. Well, what do you think, guys? What do you think is better? Where do we have the better focus? I think I have mixed feelings on all of it, but to be honest with you, somehow still the iPhone is able to produce more focused pictures with moving objects. And I understand this scenario is not particularly very easy because I'm inside my studio, my home. This one is not so good, but it really seems that most of the pictures that we have do produce sharper results compared to what we see on the Samsung phone, okay? So let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you like tests like this, don't forget to subscribe for more.